mapambano, 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 mapambano.
Walimu wote Kenya hii leo tuliwaambia hatutakuwa madarasani. They told we are joking. We have come here to send the message clear that if the government is not going to adhere to the court ruling, hata sisi tumesema tutakuwa barabarani kusukuma wao wakuje kwa mesa vile koti ilisema. So if they are not going to comply with the court ruling, hata walimu hawata comply. Hii ni rehearsal. The real maandamano will be ongoing the whole week, the whole month, mpaka ile siku watakuja kwa meza, so that the message is one: confirm JSS teachers.
Ule mwaka moja ambao tulikuwa under internship, tukafanya mwaka moja tukalipwa 17,000 na koti kasema internship is illegal. Kwa hivyo tunasema we are going to be compensated. What do we want?
Compensation!
What do we want?
Compensation!
Yes!
Comrades, power! 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 Compensation?
No!
Punda amefanya nini? Amechoka Punda, hata anakufa sasa. So we are here to address the nation and to address Nancy Macharia in particular, who has decided to become deaf. Ni kama hasikii when the parliament and when members of parliament are mentioning that we are going to be confirmed. So she's now pretending that there's no money, and yet they want to promote teachers. We are tired and we're not going to report to work. We are not going to report to school. They have already told the parents not to take their children to school. Wanafunzi wako nyumbani right now as we speak. So we want them to know that we are not shaken.
These teachers are trained teachers.
Yes.
They are our colleagues.
Yes.
And treating them like quacks shall not be allowed.
Yes.
So we are sending a message to this country that learning shall be paralyzed until the luring of the courts is appeared. And also we want to send a warning to TSC.
Yes.
The business of intimidating these teachers and other teachers for fighting for their rights. Yes. We shall come for you, and we are telling those commissioners and those directors in our counties that you have no powers over the citizens of this country.
Yes.
Power! 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 No compensation!
No!